Mix everything and pour it into a bucket. You'll quickly see that your floor has never been this clean. It will stay spotless, shiny, and streak-free for a long time. Start by adding a tablespoon of salt to a bowl. Salt has powerful cleaning properties and removes stains and discoloration. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda, which disinfects and deeply cleans surfaces. Pour in 2 tablespoons of dish soap. It's great for cutting through grease. Then, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to degrease, clean, and add shine. Follow with 3 tablespoons of alcohol, which kills bacteria and fungi, ensuring a germ-free surface. Mix everything well. The solution will start to fizz. Pour in a liter of warm water and stir so the ingredients blend. Then, add another liter of water to enhance the cleaning power. This homemade cleaner is perfect for washing and disinfecting floors. Transfer it to a bucket and squeeze in some lime juice for a fresh scent. Dip your mop, wring it out, and start cleaning. Your floors will be spotless, shiny, and completely free from bacteria, viruses, and dust mites.